1 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf-ball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located over eastern Clearwater County, or about 32 miles south of Superior, and was moving north at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of the indicated county. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds and hail, along with frequent lightning and heavy rain. For your protection, go indoors and stay away from windows. If you are caught outside, move to a well-protected area. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday evening for north central Idaho and northwestern Montana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Clearwater County, Idaho.